Hey guys, what's up? This is Bharat Nagpal. You're watching iGyaan. Today we're going to be reviewing the Xiaomi Dual Driver Earphones. So let's quickly get started. Now, the Mi Dual Driver earphones are presently available for a price of Rs 799. And at that price, one would assume that they're an average pair of earphones that you would get for under 1000 rupees. But in reality, the Mi Dual Driver earphones have surprised us quite a lot. Let's talk about the design and build quality first. Now, the Dual Driver earphones are available in two colors. One is a standard matte finish black and the other one is this blue color that we have over here. The inlays on the backside of the earphones are actually in carbon fiber, and they also have magnets to allow the earphones to be stuck together. These magnets are pretty powerful, and if you're using these earphones, you can truly hang them around your neck if that's something that you want to do. Another thing to appreciate about these earphones for under 800 rupees is the fact that the cable from the headphone jack all the way up to the Y joint is actually braided and it doesn't tangle up. It is tangle resistant and it is a really good material as well. So it feels really good in the hand and is also tangle resistant, which is a good thing. I would have liked to see the tangle resistance braided sort of cable continue all the way to the earphones, but I guess that would increase their pricing a little bit. But for this price, getting a braided cable in itself is pretty good. You also get a control box which includes a play pause button and volume buttons, and then you also have a microphone there so you can take and make calls from the earphones. Now, the earphones have replaceable in-ear style ear tips, and the earphones are angled towards the inside of your ear canals. In the box, you do get two additional sets of ear tips, one a small one and a large one, and the medium sized are already fitted onto the earphones. Now, personally, I found the large to fit in my ear really well, and they do have a really good amount of passive noise cancellation, which means that the rubber tips formed a really good seal inside my ear and cancel out a lot of the outside noise because of the seal itself. Now, let's talk about the audio quality. For a pair of earphones that cost less than 1000 rupees, these are really impressive. In terms of sound quality, I could compare them with some earphones that cost around the 10,000 rupee price bracket. These offered really impressive bass and a really clear mid-range, something that I was not expecting at all. Another good thing is that the headphone jack is angled at 90 degrees and is gold plated. It has a really nice and snug fit, which means that with the gold plated and the good snug fit, you will not get any kind of static or distortion if you're out and about, which is again really good for a pair of earphones that cost less than 1000 rupees. Now, as the name suggests, each of the earphones has dual drivers, a 10mm driver and an 8mm driver, which possibly splits the audio for bass on the 10mm driver and the mid and high tones on the 8mm driver, and that is what results in a really good, clear, distortion-free sound. Usually the same driver is being used for mid tones, and when the bass hits, you lose the mid tones and the high tones. But in this case, since it's separate like it would be in a speaker, this allows the audio to sort of come out from the earphones separately, and hence you lose any form of distortion and you get clear sound, whether you're using them for music, gaming, or even for making voice calls. Now, voice calls are also really good. The microphone picks up your audio really well. The overall audio experience from these earphones is truly impressive. If you're planning on using them for gaming, like playing games like PUBG, you will really enjoy the audio experience because the earphones themselves are pretty loud, and then if you do have a built-in preamp or if you do have a nice equalizer on your phone, you can really boost the audio quality of these earphones and get really a lot more than you would expect from a pair of 799 rupees earphones. Now, if you're interested in these, we leave a link in the description below. If you're looking for a pair of earphones under the 1000 rupee price tag, these definitely will be a pick from us. Go check these out. And if you like this video, guys, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the bell notification icon to get notified each time we upload a new video. This has been Bharat Nagpal. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.